Hey everyone, today I am going to give you an update of my sample project pan. Probably my favorite video to film. I don't know what it is about these samples, but they always get me so excited. Maybe it's because they're easy to use up and they're just fun to use and try out. I think that's the thing. I think that's what makes this so fun for me. So hopefully this is fun for you as well and you are having a good time following me along and just seeing what I'm using and my thoughts on the product. Let's start with makeup, and let's also start with the products that I'm still working on, because majority of these samples I've used up. So the only two that I'm still working on that are left, we're gonna go over those first, get those out of the way. The first one is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. And again, there's 3 shades here. I have Metallic Taupe, Amethyst, and All Natural. But for this month, I was just focusing on All Natural. I knew that that was my favorite color in the 3. And I used it 3 times. So not a whole lot, but I do enjoy wearing it. And I kind of want to continue to wear it. I may try using it for other purposes. So I don't want to get rid of it quite yet because I still want to play around with it a little bit more, but it's definitely something that I don't think I'm going to keep in the project and use up completely. I feel like I'll get to a point where I feel like I've got to play with it enough and then I'll move on to something else. Next one I'm still working on, I feel like you should have guessed if you've seen my other sample project pans from last year, is the MAC Lipstick 3 Trio sampler here. Now, what I did not realize is that these are actually all different finishes. So that played into my thoughts, and I did use each of these at least once. Just this sample pack thing a total of 4 times. So I used the first 2 shades once, and then I used this last shade here twice, because that one ended up being my favorite. So let me go through these real quick. We have Velvet Teddy up here at the top, which I actually realized I have a mini of, like a little mini bullet lipstick of, and that's a matte. So it wasn't my favorite formula, and I kind of decided that I tried it and realized that I already have it, so I'm not going to keep this whole thing just for this one shade there to try and work through. Next up here is Mocha, and this one is a satin, and this one I did like the formula better. And the shade was okay. It just wasn't something I feel like I would reach for all the time. It was a little bit darker. Maybe it's because I really packed it on. Maybe if I would have put a very light layer, it would have been better. I'm not sure. But it was nice to try out. And now I know I do like the formula of the satin better than the formula of the matte. Lastly in here is the shade Hug Me, and this one is also a different formula. This one's a luster, and I really liked that one. Now I used it on its own, and then I also used it on top of another lip product. So the 2 uses, that was how I used Hug Me. And I really enjoy Hug Me. So what I decided is that I'm going to keep this into the project, and I'm going to continue to use Hug Me either until I finish it or until I just feel satisfied with the usage that I got from this sample. This one's kind of a silly one, but this is the last of the makeup samples that I drew at the beginning of this project, and this is a beauty blender sample thing. Did end up using it to apply concealer maybe twice, and I actually have a different like small sponge, beauty sponge, that I like better for under my eyes. So I think that this was just to kind of get an idea of what a beauty blender does, but I won't be keeping it. I mean, maybe I could use it to apply like cream shadow. I might consider using it for that, but otherwise this I'm gonna call done. I used it, I tried it out, and yeah, it's now out of my collection. Let's move into skincare next. So for skincare, I used up all 3. The first was this Chanel little foil packet sample here. This is the La Lift Pro Volume Cream, and I used this twice, so got 2 uses from what was in here. And I basically just used it in place of like a serum step or something, and it was mean, again, I only got to use it twice, so maybe if I got to use it more, then I would get more of an opinion on it. But just from the 2 uses, it was just whatever. It's not something that I would pick up based on trying this sample. Next is this Vichy mask. This is the Double Glow Peel Mask, and I used this twice as well. This one I used like 1 full application, and then there was a little bit left that I used like just on part of my face for a second application. And this is nice. It does the trick, but it is a little bit harsh. So you definitely want to listen to the instructions and only use it once a week. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is necessarily something that's necessary, but if it's something you're interested in, I do think that it works. Use it sparingly, and just know it is a bit intense. At least it was for me. Maybe I just have more sensitive skin. From Estee Lauder, and this is the little mini guy here. This is their Advanced Night Repair, and I did use this up. I really enjoyed this product. I actually liked this so much that I purchased it full size. Now that says something when you're using a sample and then afterwards you purchase it in full size. That does not happen to me very often. As much as I love to try out little minis, I don't purchase the full size very often. So this must have really impressed me to purchase a full size. I used this 7 times to use it up completely. Now that number is a little bit skewed because I had already used some of this before rolling it in. So the amount that is in here, definitely you can get more than 7 uses out of. I also used up this Haircare little vial thing here from Sebastian. It is the Dark Oil, and I really actually did enjoy using this in my hair after the shower, almost as a product to detangle and also kind of just smooth away the frizz in my hair. And this was amazing at detangling my hair. I combed through my hair after putting this in, and there was like no knots or anything. Like that is a very rare occasion for me when that happens. So this was, yes, very nice. I did enjoy this. I did use it up completely. It took me 10 times to use this from where I think I had left off previously with this in my previous sample project pan, because this I believe was a rollover product as well. Next are the shampoo and conditioner that I brought in, and I think I told you guys the wrong brand last time. This is actually Alafia is the brand, and these are the Shea Butter Citrus Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. They were okay. I feel like I went through the shampoo a lot quicker than I did the conditioner, and there's not much to say about them. It's not something I'm going to look into to see if they have a full size, but it's good to use it. It was good to kind of get it out of my collection and using the product that I have. The shampoo I used 4 times, and then the conditioner, because it took me longer to use the conditioner, that took me 8 times. So twice as many times as the shampoo. Last sample that I finished up, and then we will move on to the products that I'm rolling in, because there's a lot. This is the fragrance sample from Philosophy. This is Amazing Grace Lavender. And I did use this up completely. I wasn't sure if I was actually going to be able to, because this is not the spray version. This is the one where you kind of have to dump it out. So because of that difference of application process, it took me 20 uses to use this up completely. Now let's get into the new samples. For body care, I have this little foil packet here from Hemp's, and it is their body lotion, I believe. Yeah, so it is their CBD oil, Oriental Poppies and Blue Agave Soothing and Wellness Herbal Body Moisturizer. I have no idea what it smells like, but we are going to find out this month. Second body item, this is also from Philosophy. This is also their Amazing Grace, but this is in the scent Bergamot. And I have not smelled this yet, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this. Should I smell it right now? I don't know. Let's do it. Oh, wow. Okay, this actually smells really nice. I was not expecting to like it that much. I am excited. Okay, cool. I'm so glad I grabbed for this one. I had no idea I was gonna like it that much. we'll see how it goes on my body because sometimes scents change once you put them on. So fingers crossed, it smells just as good. All right, we have our first skincare new sample that we're rolling in, and this is from number 7. And this is their Advanced Retinol Night Concentrate Skin Transforming Accelerator. And it's in its box, but I'm gonna actually take it out and look at it. So this is what it actually looks like. And I figured I can use this at night. And it's good, I mean, it's for the nighttime, right? Yeah. So that'll be my nighttime serum-y type of product to use with my moisturizer. Second skincare is also kind of gonna be a similar step as the one I just showed you, but I'm thinking as long as ingredients work out, I'm gonna use this in the morning. So that'll be my nighttime serum-y type of product. This will be my morning product. This is by Kenaras. I'm pretty sure I'm not saying that right. And this is their C8 peptide intensive treatment. Oh, and this one actually specifically on the directions here, I just read it, says for the morning. So perfect. I have a specific morning item to use and a very specific night item to use. So that should be fun. Last skincare sample we are rolling in is a cleanser. This is by Korres. And this is their foaming cream cleanser. Is that all it says? Greek yogurt? That's what it says. So we're gonna use this because I need a very, hopefully simple cleanser to go along with my exfoliant that I've been using. So this will be a good one to pull into my skincare routine. All right, we've got one makeup item that I get to roll in this month, and that is going to be a setting spray. So this is by Benefit, and this is their The Professional Super Setter. Now, I don't like the Professional, the original primer. I don't like it. Balls up on my skin, it's not for me. So I'm curious how this is gonna be. I don't know. We will see. I will let you know next updates how I get along with it. Lastly, for hair care, it's another shampoo conditioner set. I'm trying to work my way through these because I had a couple of them. This is by Matrix, and this is their Total Results Insta Cure Liquid Protein Anti-Breakage Shampoo and Conditioner. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for tuning in and following me along on my samples journey. I will see you all next time. Have a wonderful, beautiful rest of your day. Take care, everyone. Bye.